yo. Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great diddly day. Got up the shot not too long ago. Just moisturize. Just moisturize my hair, my scalp, and my facial hair. Most definitely, you dig. But yeah, one of the things too, as far as what I want to add is this. Something special for y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending a DM at Healing Through Inspiration. You can send us an email, info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject coaching. As long as something pertaining towards that, you dig. You can book a one-on-one consultation that way. You got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, along with our amazing apparel. We got it there. And we also got our courses too. If you guys want to start a business, if you do have a business, and you want to further enhance yourself, if you don't have one, we got the course down for you down below, okay? Make sure you guys check that out, you dig. What I wanted to say is this, man. Got aloe. Gonna be moisturizing with aloe. Just add a knife. I already split it in half. Chopping it up. Have a little fun with it, you dig. Have a little fun with it. Go ahead. Scrape it. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Just raking a little bit. It will get gushy, I'll tell you that. Yeah. Real get gushy, yeah. Wowzers. Tastes like bathroom soap almost, but it lets you know what they trying to imitate, you dig? Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Just wanna cover it. Yeah. Once you have the hairstyle I do have, what I've been wearing is the box braids. They're not locks. They have been looking like locks. I've been getting a weird look, you dig? You guys want to know how to box braid, you guys can look at the video where we showed you us box braiding, you dig? Look at that, go splash. Real gooey, you dig? Put on my beard. Hey, let the plant do its work. Yeah. Like to massage it in there. Yeah, right here. I like to play with it. It's okay if you get the pieces in there. It's okay if you get the pieces. You know what I'm saying? You get the pieces. Because in there, it's just part of the plant. Sometimes, or you could just chop it up. Chop it up some more, but be careful with it. You dig what I'm saying? Use a little piece of aloe. I like to use it a lot. I don't mind. Because I know I just go out in the day with it. This right here keeps you cool. Your hair cool, refreshing, fresh and feeling. It's like eternally moisturized. That's what it feels like when you got this on there. So I don't mind. I don't mind if it looks like I got a bunch of, a bunch of shiny stuff on there. Because a lot of people's stuff look like their hair is shiny, but dry. I used to be one of them. I used to be using, dry stuff on my skin, on my hair, making those moisturizer, because that's what they tell you. But it really isn't. Kind of like, Vaseline, gasoline, blue magic, stuff like that. Stuff like that. People thinking they use to moisturize their hair. It's not even moisturized. Really not even moisturized. They put dye in your hair. What the heck? There's dye in the products. What the frick is there dye in the product? What are you dyeing it? What are you changing for? Dye. Dye makes your hair dead. You dig? Killing off your hair. Toxic is poison. Dye in the food. Just like dye in the food is poison. And as well as the dye, and just like as the hair product, guess what? You know what they got in common? You're consuming it. You're consuming it. It goes to your hair, your skin. You don't think I'm consuming it? You don't think my body is not consuming this coconut oil that was already in there? The extra virgin olive oil that was already in there? You don't think it was already consuming the aloe? It's consuming the aloe right now. Going into the scalp, going into the hair. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. How y'all think that look? Let me know in the comments, y'all. And let me know if y'all tried aloe. Have y'all tried aloe? What was your experience like with it, you dig? You see me? I be talking like my brother Bam. Shout out to Bam Air Wax. Just want to brush it down my face hair. Yeah. There you go. Here you go. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share, all the great stuff. Your daily uploads. So, y'all book a consultation with us, and y'all go with the stuff down in the description box. Peace, love, and light.